Recap. Wyan understood that he fall in love with her, knew that was Sunday, and today is Monday. While coming back from college, Wyan saw Jungkook outside the college gate, waiting for someone. While staring at you, Wyan ignored him and start talking with Ninju, her bestie who is walking beside you. His dress, his hairstyle, your dress, your hairstyle. Actually, Jungkook came for you when you went near the gate. Then also, he was staring at you. He came with a black Scorpio. Jungkook. Ninja, sit fast. Ninja sat on the car without telling anything. Jungkook to you. Hi miss. Would you like me to drop you in your house?